What's up guys, welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today, as you can see, I'm back here on Google Earth checking out the 3D model version of Lightning Racer from Hersheypark. And today we're going to be starting on the next things of the coaster that I will be building are the start tracks out of the station and also the lift hills, as you can see right here. As you can see, these lift hills are known for being adjacent to each other. They're parallel, however, set apart from each other, so not completely side by side. They're just split a little bit adjacent to each other. So today we're going to be replicating those parts along with maybe the start of the next couple airtime hills as well. So here we go. Now usually I start building coasters from just straight up the station onto the start track and then the lift hills. However, for this one I had to build the lift hills first because I wanted to establish the amount of space I had in the room in order to scale it down to the right size. So right now I'm just building the two structures of the lift hill. I have to say that dueling coasters are some of my favorite coasters to build because one, the racing aspect in the end is super cool to watch, and number two, they're pretty simple to build because I really just have to build one side first and then just replicate it on the other side of the coaster. Luckily, this one has a lot of similar elements, so I don't have to worry about conceiving a new element. I just will have to worry about placing it. Also, one minor note, I was spending a lot of time back there in that little back section at the base of the lift hills because I was making the start track pieces, which took a while to make because I've already pre-built the lift hills and I just have to make sure I fit enough track in there. And yes, this part of the coaster took an hour to make. Just a few short pieces of track. It was annoying. So far for this coaster, I have built this over the course of 2 days, and so far I've gotten through both of these airtime hills, as you can see right here. So we still have quite a bit ways to go. Next element, I believe, is the 2 turnarounds coming up, and then it's a whole lot of low to the ground airtime hills and turns. So those will be pretty simple to build once I get past all the big portions right here. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching today's update. I can't believe we've gotten through this much for one coaster so far, and I can't wait to keep going for this dueling coaster. So be sure to stay tuned for updates. I will be posting videos every Wednesday, so a lot more videos, plus these Lightning Racer updates will be coming up very, very soon. So don't forget to stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos as I will keep them coming. See you guys, and I'll see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!